Hello, hope you all are doing good. In this session of AutoCAD, we'll see certain topics related to AutoCAD, which we will be discussing under the term agenda. So in our today's class, we'll see overview of AutoCAD Civil 3D, that is the version 2023. Also, we'll go to this civil engineering project lifecycle, and then you'll see the navigating the user interface of AutoCAD Civil 3D 2023. In the last, we will be seeing like how to set up our new project in AutoCAD. So our first topic of discussion for today's class is the overview of AutoCAD Civil 3D. This we will be seeing in a couple of minutes. So for this, I will be showing you one presentation. Yes, this is for the introduction of AutoCAD. I'm sorry, what is exactly AutoCAD is, and how we will be introducing ourselves when we are learning the AutoCAD through any mode like online or the offline. So first of all, we'll see the agenda of this presentation, like what we will be covering in this. So first I will be giving you introduction of AutoCAD, like what is AutoCAD and why we are using it. Second, what is AutoCAD? Third is the user interface, like what is the user interface available in the AutoCAD or the AutoCAD Civil 3D, you can, whichever terms you want to use. In last, you will see options, file extensions, fonts. Similarly, you will see the panels and the commands. First of all, I just want you guys to know about what exactly the AutoCAD is. So AutoCAD is basically a 2D and 3D computer-aided design software application for desktop, web, and mobile, which is developed by Autodesk company. So it was first released in December 1982 for CP/M and the IBM PC platforms. At that time, AutoCAD was used as a desktop app running on the microcomputers, not as a setup we used to install in our system. AutoCAD is basically a general drafting and design application used in industry by architects, professionals, mechanical engineers, project managers, graphic designers, city planners, and other professionals to prepare technical drawings. Before AutoCAD was introduced, most commercial CAD programs ran on mainframe computers or mini computers, with each CAD operator working at a separate graphics terminal. AutoCAD was basically derived from a program that began in 1977 and then released in 1979, called as the Interact CAD. As I just gave you the introduction of the AutoCAD, like what exactly AutoCAD is, and who is the producer. So Autodesk is the producer of AutoCAD. So it was developed by the Autodesk company. Autodesk into this business from almost around 20 years. So they have developed this AutoCAD for a wide variety of applications like civil engineering applications, architectural applications, mechanical engineering applications, electrical engineering applications, and so on. Setup and activation. So in terms of the setup and activation is concerned, so for setup, you have to get it through the Autodesk website. I can show you the link of the Autodesk website. Just give me a second. You just have to go to the Google and type AutoCAD 2023. Okay, in the first one, you can just click on the first link, trying to use software for free. As you can see, you will be led to the main software site. Even it's also having support for the student educational support Okay, so in the educational support, you just have to click on this, and then it will lead you to the installation of or the setup of AutoCAD easily. Okay, so in this way, you will be able to develop your skills on the AutoCAD. And then after this, we'll just go to the next interface. Like this is what will be user interface. Navigating the user interface, I will be covering in the next topic. So I just want you guys to know like what are the basic features available inside the AutoCAD 2023, so that you can be in a situation to understand the basics of AutoCAD. So in the user interface, you will see some workspace switching. Second is a tab. Some tabs are available inside the AutoCAD. Upper bar, lower bar, navigation bar, command line, and the drawing area. In the option portion, you will see some options like related to the file, display, open and save, plot and publish, system, user preferences, drafting, 3D modeling, selection, and a profile. So you can see these options. You can access it from this particular site. This is the where you just right click on the drawing side. I will just show you when we are going into the AutoCAD. Now comes the file extensions. So for file extensions, you can see the file extensions with the help of which you will be able to save the file in your AutoCAD. So first of all, you just have to remember one more important thing, that the basic format for the drawing in AutoCAD is .dwg. Okay, so .dwg, and there are certain other like .dwg, .dws, .dxf, .bak. So these are the files which are file formats which are available in the AutoCAD for your file savings easily. Now, as you can see in the image, also you will be in a situation to understand like what are the different file formats available with the associated version. So, in order to understand this, first of all, I just want you guys to understand that if you want to save your present version file into the older version file, you can easily save it without any problem. As you can see in front of your screen, that there are the certain versions available like 2018, 2013, 2010, 2007, 2004, 2000, R14. R14 is the oldest one, and now the DWS format and the DWT format. Then comes the DXF format of the 2018, 2013, 2010, 2007, 2004, 2000, and R12. So these are the different file extensions which are available inside the AutoCAD 2023, with the help of which you will be in a situation to save your files easily on your desktop or on your system. Now I will just discuss about the fonts, like what are the different kinds of fonts available. So first one is the English font. So basic fonts like the American English or the British English fonts are available, like the standard format. Like people used to have in the MS Word, Microsoft Word, or Microsoft PowerPoint. So these are the standard fonts which are available. Like either they are also having the Arabic fonts installed into the AutoCAD. So these two kind of fonts you will be in a situation to access when you are using your AutoCAD in your system, right? And now comes the next slide. That is the panels. Okay, so in the panels and the commands portion, you will be able to see certain panels like draw panel, modify panel, annotation panel, layers, block, properties, groups, utilities, clipboard, and the view. Under these panels or the commands, there are certain options available. As you can see in the draw portion, you will see line command, polyline command, circle, arc, rectangular command. This is ellipse, and this is hatch command. Similarly, in the modify panel also you will see move command, rotate command, trim, or the extend. This is the eraser command, and mirror command, fill it in a chamfer, scale, taper, copy, etc. and etc. Similarly, in the annotation panel, you will be able to see certain commands like the text command, dimensions, linear dimension, angular dimensions, annotations, tables, and also in the layer panel, you will see layer properties, new layers, hide layers, and many other options are available related to layer coloring, layer annotation, layer dimensions, so many things. And in the block portion, these different panels I will show you when I will be discussing inside the AutoCAD, and then we will see the understanding of navigating through the user interface in a while. Then comes the block portion. In the block portion, you will see insert, creating a block, inserting the blocks, etc., properties, groups, utilities, clipboard, views, and many more. There are so many options which are available inside the AutoCAD. This leads me to the presentation's end. So I'm just concluding this presentation.